it open. Yeah. Let's see what we got up in that bag right there. Ooh, wait. Now she said you can dump it out in the joint, but I think that's smart. How you doing it, baby? Just fold the bag. Dang. So we got the pound of snow crab, we got a pound of blue crab, and we got a quarter pound of shrimp with the mild bomb sauce. She said it's kind of spicy and it's got like a little bit of everything. Where my boiled eggs at?
Oh, those are probably coming on the side.
You think?
Yeah, because we ordered a side.
No, I see them. I see something in there.
Oh, guess we gotta dig in.
Yeah.
Let's say a grace.
Yeah. In there. And you already know what I snuck in the club. Get that. Ooh. Yes, sir.